Welcome back to the Midlife Diet. You've optimized your hormones, your diet, your supplements, and your mental habits. Now it's time to talk about the final boss of midlife health, sleep. Sleep is not a luxury. It is a hormonal and metabolic reset switch. If you are only getting 6 or 7 hours of poor quality sleep, you are guaranteeing high cortisol, low testosterone, and zero fat loss, no matter how hard you train. For the man over 40, achieving deep restorative sleep becomes harder because our sleep architecture changes. But you can fix this. Today, we are revealing the 5 most powerful scientific hacks to manipulate your body's chemistry and environment to guarantee the deepest sleep of your life. This is the difference between surviving and thriving. Part 1. Why sleep is the ultimate T-booster. Let's be clear. Your body does almost all its repair and hormonal work during deep sleep. Specifically, up to 70% of your daily testosterone is produced while you sleep. When your sleep is short or interrupted, your body stays in a state of stress. Cortisol remains high, blocking testosterone production, causing insulin resistance, and preventing your brain from clearing out toxins that cause brain fog. Poor sleep sabotages every other positive change you have made. You need to move beyond simply going to bed and start actively optimizing your sleep. Hack number 1. Anchor your wake-up time. Most men focus on a consistent bedtime. That is backward thinking. You must focus on a consistent wake-up time, even on weekends. This is the most critical factor for setting your circadian rhythm. The circadian rhythm is your body's internal 24-hour clock. Your body uses the time you wake up to schedule all hormonal releases, including the big morning cortisol spike that wakes you up, and the evening melatonin release that puts you to sleep. An inconsistent wake-up time confuses your brain and leads to fragmented sleep. Action step. Set your alarm for the same time every single day, 7 days a week. Pair this with bright light exposure immediately upon waking. Hack number 2. Follow the 3-2-1 evening rule. You cannot jump from a high-stress activity directly into deep sleep. Your brain needs a runway for sleep. 3 hours before bed. No large meals. Digesting food raises core body temperature and prevents deep sleep. 2 hours before bed. No work, no emails, no high-stress conversations. Allow your prefrontal cortex to relax. 1 hour before bed. No screens and no blue light. Use this time for reading a physical book, gentle stretching, or deep breathing exercises. Hack number 3. Lower your core temperature. Deep sleep requires a drop in your core body temperature. This is a biological signal that triggers the restorative phase of sleep. Most people keep their bedrooms too warm. A hot and stuffy room causes frequent waking and reduces time spent in deep sleep and REM sleep phases. Action step. Set your bedroom temperature between 64 and 68 degrees Fahrenheit, which is approximately 17 to 20 degrees Celsius. Take a warm shower or bath 60 minutes before bed. This temporarily raises your skin temperature, which then forces your core body temperature to drop quickly once you enter your cooler bed. Hack number 4. Use the carbohydrate window strategically. Strategic carbohydrates in the evening can improve sleep quality. This is science, not opinion. A small, clean carbohydrate source in the evening, like white rice or sweet potato, helps move the amino acid tryptophan into the brain. Tryptophan is the precursor to serotonin. Serotonin is converted into melatonin, the sleep hormone. This slight insulin response also helps clear cortisol. Action step. Eat a small portion of clean carbohydrates, for example half a cup of white rice, 2 to 3 hours before bed. Do not overeat. This is a strategic move, not a binge. Hack number 5. Block all light and sound to create a sleep cave. Even the smallest amount of light on your skin or eyelids can disrupt melatonin production. Even small noises can pull you out of deep sleep. Turn your bedroom into a sleep cave. Light action. Use blackout curtains. Cover all small LED lights from chargers, air conditioners, and other devices with electrical tape. Make it completely dark. Sound action. Use a gentle, continuous white noise machine or app. White noise blocks sharp, sporadic sounds like traffic or sirens, allowing you to maintain deep sleep cycles. By implementing these 5 hacks, anchor your wake time, follow the 3-2-1 evening rule, Lower your core temperature, time your carbohydrates strategically, and create your sleep cave. You will drastically increase both deep sleep and REM sleep. Mastering your sleep is the final piece of the midlife health puzzle. If you're ready to stop guessing and start living with maximum energy and focus, hit that subscribe button now. We provide only science-backed, actionable strategies for men fighting the midlife decline. Next week, we are starting a brand new series on building muscle and strength after 50. We will reveal the optimal workout split to maximize muscle retention and growth with minimal injury risk. This is the Midlife Diet. Live stronger. This content is for informational and educational purposes only. Always consult a licensed healthcare professional before making any changes to your diet, exercise, or supplementation routines.